Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dolon and today I have a different recipe for you. It's a Ramadan item. It's potatoes and egg chops. It's a very common item made in every household during Ramadan. So it's a very easy item and it takes about 45 minutes to cook. So let's get cooking. Thank you. So now I've heated up the pan. I'm just going to put slight olive oil. You can use any oil, so very small amount. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to put the eggs in. Just a very small amount of paprika powder. Just fry this for about 2-3 minutes. Now you can see the eggs have cooked. It's slightly burnt on both sides. That's it. Now it's ready to be wrapped in the potatoes. I'm going to turn this off. Okay, all done. Here we have the boiled eggs that I fried earlier on. I also boiled some potatoes earlier on. So this is boiled mashed potatoes. I've smashed 2 eggs for the wrapping. And then I've got the breadcrumbs here. So let's add the spices. Chili flakes according to taste. So I'll put a little bit. Then I've got some thin sliced onions. Some mustard oil. So just a hint of mustard oil, maybe 2 teaspoons. I've got salt here. So just 1 teaspoon. Coriander leaves. So we just mash that up. So now you can see this is all ready, the mixture is ready. What I'm going to do is just wrap the egg in the potato. So you just make sure all the corners are wrapped in, so nothing is shown and it doesn't leak. So there's your chop. Just heating up the oil. It's just normal cooking oil, and I've got the potatoes and I'm just going to dip them in egg and then breadcrumbs. You can deep fry them or you can put them in the oven or grill, whatever suits you. Okay, so these are wrapped in breadcrumb. I'll just put them in. So we're just going to cook them for about 2-3 minutes on both sides. And just wait for the color to become golden color, and then the top layer will become so crispy. It doesn't take very long, about a minute on both sides. Now this is all done. It's all brown and crispy. I'll just take it off. I'll finish the remaining and then we'll lay it on a table. So here we are, the potato and egg chops all cooked and ready to eat. You can see how crunchy it looks and the color is golden. You can have it with any kind of sauce. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe and comment and like. Thank you.